Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to make a free intro for YouTube, for your YouTube video. First of all, you go to a website called Canva. So here's one of the websites. If you don't know, Canva is a famous website that actually it helps you make templates, for example YouTube thumbnail, and make you design logos and bunch of stuff. So when you get to Canva, you don't need to have an account, or if you want to, like me, I have an account. You go to create, you come over here to this button, click create a design, and when you click create a design, this will pop up write video intro. By the way, Canva's link is in the description. So as you see, it says video intro mobile view. I think so. If I just move intro, as you see over here, it says YouTube intro. So this is like for the screen, like for example this any like computer screens or the people that watch from. So when you click on it, you can get over here. Over here is like the workspace where you're gonna make your design. If you want to, and it's the recommended thing, you can actually get templates. Templates are way better than you making something only if you're actually creative. And for example, this template, you can take it and you can actually customize it. Like say after this pop up, you can make a name, you can add a name or something. Or let's say you have a lot of options, actually a lot. You gotta choose one. So let's say you want to choose this one. This can be a video intro, and it's actually beautiful. It's cool. But there's some others that actually say welcome to my channel. This is for, I don't know why it's an intro, but it's an actual ending. If you want, you can do this one. This one's actually good. Welcome to my channel. And there's another way that you can actually make intro with more creativity. Like Canva is good, but if you want to be more creative, you can go to a website called CapCut. You can do it online, or you can download it. So like CapCut, for me, it's actually, I use it for editing. If you don't know, it's this logo. It's actually very, very good for editing for free, but you probably need more. Like you need more skills and like editing, so you can actually make a perfect or very, very creative intro to pull your audience, to attract audience to your video. So that's it for today. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next one. Goodbye.